Okay. Okay. Wow. Yummy. Hesperian Boulevard and Paseo Grande in San Lorenzo.
Salsa.
Oh yeah, okay.
Barbecue.
Oh, barbecue.
Yeah.
So I'm excited to try the food here. I'm hungry. Let's get started with the video right now. Ooh. I've decided just from her cooking it and the smell to do the half chicken and half rib. Why not? Let's do both of those items that they're serving here. Mary's serving the food here, so thank you, Mary. And again, we're in San Lorenzo, California, checking out a lot of the food scene in San Lorenzo, the street food scene at that. And it just smells delicious. And we're gonna get ready to have some chicken and ribs. How long have you been here working out here? Long time?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. It just smells wonderful. I mean, the smoke, just a nice heat cooking the pollo and ribs. Ooh, it's hot.
Sí.
Ah, oh, I see. Carbon.
Es el carbón.
Carbon, okay. Wow. It's
Madera.
yeah. Nice.
Yes.
Smoky. Uh-huh.
Muy poquito.
Yeah.
No es mucho quema.
Woo! Yeah, very, very. Right now it's poquito, a little bit hot.
Es poquito.
Yeah, okay. I definitely have to move here because that heat from this grill is just fire, smoking, and that's how you want the food to be cooked.
Preparado especial.
Especial.
Ajá, que hace el patrón para las carnes.
Sí,
Sazonador.
sí.
Ajá.
Excelentemente.
Ahí va.
Almost, yeah. Poquito. Every day you're out here? Oh,
De martes a domingo. 6 días.
6.
Ajá.
Yeah.
La salsa.
Oh. Yeah.
Estas son las salsas. Está con hielo para mantenerlo fresco.
Yeah,
Ajá.
yeah, fresca, fresh.
Sí, exacto.
Yeah. Ooh, homemade salsa.
Salsa. Ujú.
Yeah.
Y
Yeah.
la tortilla.
And the tortilla.
Ajá.
Ah, yes.
Hechas a mano.
Mmm. Ah,
Ajá.
flour? Oh,
Yeah.
flour.
Son
Mary has fresh salsa, and then I believe it's flour tortilla to complement the pollo and ribs. I am literally my mouth is watering with the smells and just kind of watching her as she manipulates the food on that grill. And that heat, I'll tell you what, that heat is very, very hot. Like, I didn't want to stand over there because it's hot. She's a warrior. Oh, skillful. Medium. Yeah. Yeah. It's okay. Good. Yeah.
no, poco bien.
Oh, not yet?
Ajá.
Maybe poquito?
Poquito. ¿Es
Poquito.
okay? Ajá.
So yeah, Mary is skillfully preparing the pollo, the ribs. I mean, she knows what she's doing. Like, right? Yeah, so good, so good. She's preparing it to my liking, a little bit more cooked. Just a pleasure to experience some of this street food here in San Lorenzo, Mexican street food. Oh, good. spicy.
Spicy.
Yes, spicy. Mucho caliente.
Mucho caliente. Por el humo.
Oh yeah. The smoke, huh?
Ah.
The smoke. That's it. There it is. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I can sit right here, huh?
Yeah.
Eat the food. Wow. Okay. Amazing. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Gracias.
Una malteada de galleta con espinacas y avena.
Wow. Just, yeah, look at this presentation. It's just, we're gonna get started now. Salsa, tortilla, flour. Yeah. Is flour tortilla or corn? Masa.
Masa.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. Okay. Oh, gracias. Gracias, Mary. Okay, let's get started with this meal here. She's kind enough to let me kind of sit by her station here under the shade. And I have a table. And let's begin this amazing Mexican street food barbecue. First thing I'll do, as she pulled out those ribs in the beginning, we'll take a bite of the rib. Pork ribs. First bite here from Mary's Street Food Grill. Without any sauce, by itself. Bite. Oh wow. Oh, delicioso. Tender. That barbecue, that char, the tenderness, the meatiness. That is this. Oh, that is yum. Wow, I got some on my lip. Fantastic. Piquito. Yeah. She's gonna put some
Morning.
barbecue a little bit there. Hey, thank you. Gracias. So I have some barbecue sauce. I don't know. It probably doesn't need the barbecue sauce because it's so tender, delicious. But we're gonna try it anyway. So I have it with the barbecue sauce first, and then we'll move on to the salsa. So barbecue. Okay. This is a sweet baby barbecue sauce. Bite. Well, you know what? Not even gonna wipe the lips. Let's just keep eating. That is delicious. You don't need the sauce, to be honest with you, but she brought it out so kindly. By itself is juicy, delicious already. Some fatty bits. Wow, I'm loving this pork spare rib. Let's move on to the maybe the pollo real quick. Some chicken. I think this is the one that just came out straight off the grill. The last piece that she made sure was cooked, prepared for me. Yeah, it's still a little hot in the fingers. Maybe I'll do that afterwards. Let's go for something that was sitting out a little bit where I could still touch it without scalding my fingers. Right here. All right, let's dip into that salsa. Yeah, look at that. Pollo with salsa. Bite. Oh man. Mary, so good.
Oh,
So good. Wow.
It's okay.
Wow.
Oh.
That chicken tender as well. But really, I think what does it is the smoke, the carbone, right? The carbone just gives it that smoky flavor. I believe maybe some of the seasoned spray she used might be on the ribs and the chicken as well, but really it's all about how she prepared it. Oh, so good. That char. I'm just gonna scoop some of that salsa onto that rib. Spicy salsa. It's not really spicy, but it gives it some good flavor, some good chili flavor. Okay. Let's wrap that taco up now with the rib. Oh, this is gonna be a beautiful bite right here. Oh, it's dripping. You see that? Bite. Oh yeah. That salsa is drinkable. Like seriously, it really is. I mean, you could just slurp that salsa. It's so good. I just want to drench it. Bite. Wow. Oh, that tortilla, man. You know, it's like a homemade tortilla. That masa just has some great texture, soaks up that salsa, but it doesn't like dissolve the bread. This is a thing to do. Yep. Bite. That rib is amazing. So good. Wow.
Okay.
Oh yeah. What I'll do is use this chicken piece to scoop that salsa into my pollo taco. A scooper. Yeah, I think that works. Do it again. Genius. I mean, come on. I'm just coming up with this on the fly. So here goes. Pollo. Taco. Oh, that drip method. Bite. El Pollo Loco, eat your heart out. Mary's Mexican street food. Pastel Grande and Hesperian, San Lorenzo. This is the must sauce right here. I mean, we've been avoiding that here. It's good, but I mean, authenticity, homemade salsa, Ziploc baggie, let's go. When I see something really good, I just want to come and check it out. So I saw Mary's stuff here.
I usually follow you. That's how I find all these others.
Oh, really? Cool, yeah. Yeah, what's your name?
Dennis.
Dennis, nice to meet you, man. Mary, excellent.
Excelente día.
Delicioso.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Check her out. Paseo Grande, Hesperian.
Yes.
Go.
San Lorenzo.
San Lorenzo. See Mary. Okay.
Pollo el güero.
That's right. Pollo and
El
ribs. As well. As well.
Okay.
Muchas gracias.
Bye.
All right. There you have it. Hope you enjoyed the video. And as always, guys, enjoy the bite life. Later.